Hello, you guys. So here's my new bearded dragon. His name is PANCHO. I don't know, man. He's like a year old, a year and a half. He's a foot and a half, almost full grown. Just look at him right now. Look what he's gonna do. Just look at him. Any questions? Any answers why he does this right now?
Stop, man! I'm trying to do something.
But yeah, he's good pet. He's calm. Just look at him right now. I have no idea why he does that right there. I need answers. Just comment. Leave me anything. Leave me any answers. I need to know why he does that. You know? His beard been black the past hour. And yeah. I could grab him and stuff, but I don't know, you know. It gets me scared. But yeah, just you guys let me know what you guys think of him. He's a boy, you know. Foot and a half, almost full grown. And yeah, just leave comments why he does that, and it'll help. So leave me comments of what you think of him. Leave me comments of why you think he does that. And yeah, it's weird, kind of weird. There's his cage. I need a new cage. I'm gonna get a new one. But leave me comments or anything of why he does that. Thank you.